Ladies and gentlemen, we will be presenting, as you've heard before, two versions to our manifesto. This detailed version, and we know what our opponents are likely to do. There are government that has been there for 10 days. They're the ones who, 10 years. Did I say 10 days? Or they have most 10 days and look a bit left. But they knew that an election was due and they were supposed to call it. And yet still, we've gotten to this point and they don't have a manifesto as yet. We know exactly what they will do. We say 50,000 houses, they will say 60,000, even though in the last term they've only built 20. We took our time in opposition to consult with the people. This is the People's Party. We did messaging polls. We did focus group discussions. We involved the delegates at our annual conference. We got feedback from the task force, from the different shadow spokespersons. And we have put together some practical solutions for complex problems that are affecting our country. We've heard from the people. They want to see what they're working for. People want to be able to enjoy life here and don't feel that they have to migrate in order to have a good life. There is a burning desire for people out there that they want a better quality of life. Like Paul Bogle swinging his machete from Stony Gottin, St. Thomas, heading to Spanish Town, better, must come. Like Miss Lucky toiling over the dirty laundry, washing them to send our 3 children to school, better, must come. Like a higgler in St. Elizabeth, who toils and carries her goods to Kingston, to the market, to sell so she can afford to send her children to school, better, must come. That taxi driver in St. Mary that is working hard, that now can finally own a home through the rent-to-own program, understands that he will bring dignity to his family, better, must come. That child in Clarendon up in Crooked River that needs to get down to St. Hilda's and can't go on the whole school buses but needs that subsidy to take them to school, they must understand that better must come. That youngster in Manchester that has done everything that we've asked of them, have passed 10, 11, 12 subjects, but now have to be working in a wholesale or somewhere else. They understand now that they too can go to university and break the intergenerational chain of poverty. Better must come for that family. For that teacher in Portland that is building the next generation. And in our time off want to enjoy the beach but can't enjoy the beaches in this Jamaica, the land of wood and water. They too must know that better must come. I want to say to Jamaica, we cannot have a prime minister that could not get a work in a bank or in the public sector continuing in office. If you're not certified, you can't fast fit and proper, you couldn't get a work in a bank in Jamaica. You couldn't get a work in the public sector. So we want to ensure that Jamaica understand that in the office of Prime Minister, better must come. And so I invite the incoming Prime Minister and the candidates for the People's National Party to stand up and come to the front here in front of the audience. Because regardless of what they have said, we have a team that is led by a leader of integrity. We have experience mixed with youthful exuberance, intellect, diligence, and hard work. We are the team PNP. We believe in the People's National Party. We are PNP not because of what we have received. We are PNP because of what we believe. This is PNP, progress, not promises, as it has been in the beginning and as it will be in the end. The word is love. Jamaica love. God bless you. Thank you for joining us and have a fantastic evening. See you on the campaign trail.